Hello everybody, this is Becca from Becca Harkins Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be exploring a different take on a split composition. I have an 11 by 14 canvas here. I am going to split the canvas like this, and one half is going to be dark black, which I have mixed up in this bottle. The other half is going to be red, which this is actually a combination of 4 different leftover reds that I mixed together, so that will be interesting. And then for my pour colors, I'm going to use, I have a little bit of leftover white from a previous pour, and then I'm just going to use gold and copper. I'm still in love with that combination, and I haven't explored it with reds. I did a dark like burgundy plum color in one of my other videos, but I have not done the gold or the copper with solid black or with red, so I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I am going to add a little bit of white because I really want to make sure that it is vibrant against the background, and the white will add an opaque layer just to make sure it doesn't blend in too much. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy the process. All right, then I'm just going to add a little bit of white between the 2 colors because I really want the gold and the copper to stand out, and the copper is a very similar color to the red. It might have a tendency to blend in if I don't have any white in there. So this is what I'm going to do to remedy that. I'm going to go ahead and put my copper on. There's my hot dog and a little bit of mustard. I cracked myself up. And then just to make sure that I get some black in the red area and some red in the black area, just for like framing out this pour, I am going to add just a little bit of red over here. And you know what, I'm not going to add any black on. Yes, I am, but this does not have a fine pour spout, so I'm going to have to be very careful here. Okay, there we go. And then for this pour, I'm not going to do my typical flower bloom look. I'm going to more go from the middle and blow up this way and then blow out this way and open it up on the edges and keep it thinner in the middle. I really want just a really nice flow out of this. So first I'm going to blow some of the black over towards the red, and then I'm going to blow some of the red over towards the black, and then I will start in the center and work my way out, and we'll see what we get. is really nice. I lost a lot of color in here. You can see some of the red. I think that's going to dry really, really dark. You won't really be able to see the red too much in here. But I am hoping that the golds and the coppers will come through and we'll see a little bit more of that. I really like the composition. I really like the way the flow goes, this red moving in here. Oh, that area there is really pretty. And I can start to see some of the cells coming through. Very nice. I am very glad that I added the white in there. You can see how much contrast that adds. I think if I had not added the white, this area would have been really, really muted. If anything, I wish I had more white up in here, but I like it. I think it's good. The white is adding a really nice, beautiful line here and here, which opens up to that flow in there. The black down here. Oh, look at the red. Can you see that? I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Come in here. Those were those red cells popping through the black. Isn't that cool? Like, oh my gosh, doesn't it look 3D? Like you can see the shadow within the cells. That's really, really neat. Here's some of the gold and copper. I'm so in love with the way those two colors mix. Got some really nice lacing through here. There you can see all the bubbles still in the black. I'm gonna have to hit that with my blowtorch again. This area right here is really pretty. It's such a bold, vibrant contrast. And the bubbles moving through are just, I don't know, it's like life in motion. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. That red, I hope that red dries as bright as it looks now. I know it will be a little bit darker, but I hope it's not too much darker. And here are the dried results. It turned out just beautifully. I'm so happy with the vibrancy of the red. The white gave it just the contrast that it needed, and the cells are just amazing. I'm so happy with this piece. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe, like this video for more content like this.